Hello, ladies and gentlemen of the internet. So today I wanted to make a bit of a guide on how to make a shit video. But Sir Sweetcorn, you're thinking, why would you want to teach me how to make a shit video? Well, the idea is I teach you how to make a shit video, you know exactly what not to do, and it might give you an idea on how to make not a good video, but a better video than shit. Yep, and he's going to indicate, he's going to turn without indicating or something daft. Go on, bet any money is on his phone. Let's have a look. Maybe not. Still a bit of a twat though, but... Oh yeah, so where was I? Yeah, how to make a shit video. So, first one is definitely your voice. Obviously, your voice is one of the most important things when it comes to making a motovlog. If you don't have a good voice, you're going to make a shit video. So, there are a few things we can do to make a shit video. So, the first one is monotone. So, monotone is when you don't change amplitude and sort of variation in your voice. So, if you're making a point, you're not going to make it stand out, and these traffic lights are taking forever. So, let's have a go at some monotone. So, if I was to talk like this and be very, very slow and fucking, even I'm falling asleep and I'm making the video. So, I can't even keep that up for long because I fucking feel like you're falling asleep, I'm falling asleep, I feel like it's time to go to fucking bed. So, that's the first one. Now, the next one is going to be, so we've got the amplitude, we've got the, you know, the interest in the video. Next one is sort of volume. So we don't want to go very quiet and sort of, you know, do what we're doing, but it's going to be very quiet because you're not going to hear what I'm saying. And on the opposite side of the spectrum, you don't want me to shout and to say things that are really loud because it's going to make the shit. So, one is also remember to turn your indicators off, which I nearly didn't. One is the correct tone. So that is a tone that goes up and down and up and down. It's a little bit like a roller coaster. The next is volume. Now, I will often refer to this as projection. So projection is, I'm making it feel like, because you're on the internet, obviously you're 1,000 miles away, I need to shout to get my point across, but not shout. It's definitely an odd perspective. The next is knowing when to cut yourself. So it's no good, you know, making a video and then just randomly, you know what I mean? Next one's simple, and I think I've done this too many times. So, if you're riding and it's quite windy, this is how to make a shit video. Because it doesn't matter how well I talk, all you're going to hear is the buffet. All you're going to hear is obviously that buffeting, which, unless you like that sort of thing, is fucking, you can't understand what's going on. It's like a puzzle trying to, you know, understand the video. It's a shit thing to do. So that's how not to do it. If you've got some more tips, maybe you have, leave them down in the description. I'll be happy to read them and sort of respond in time in the comments as well. If you've enjoyed this video and you think I deserve it, give me a subscription. If you especially like it, give me a like. You know the drill.